How to use Visa gift cards on Brawl Stars. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you on how you can do this method quickly and easily. Now you want to go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or App Store depending on the device that you are using. Once inside, just go ahead and navigate by clicking on your profile icon, and from here this menu will show up. You can then go ahead and select payments and subscriptions. And from here, you have options like the payment method, subscription, budget and history, or redeem a code. You simply want to tap on redeem a code. And from here, all you have to do is to go ahead and basically scan the gift card yourself, enter the details of that card, and you should be good to go. Or you can just manually type the card details right here. Click on redeem and you will be able to redeem the gift card on your Play Store or App Store. From there, just go ahead and open up Brawl Stars, use the gift cards that you have claimed, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.